Alright. Hey guys, what's good? It's me again, coming back at you with a digital marketing uh, program review. So today I'm gonna just do a quick review on Neuron Writer. Um, this is basically an alternative to Surfer SEO and more more cost effective. In other words, a cheaper alternative to Surfer SEO. Because this is just it gives you all the benefits of how would you call it, Surfer SEO at just a fraction of the price. So I mean it. The only thing about Neuron Writer, let me just put it off the top. Let me see, content for digital hacks to boost. Compress the URL and we're gonna search for it. Okay, I think we're back. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, I might need an editor for this. Oh, smack. Let me just check something out. So I think the article is ready, but video-wise, oh, let's see. 10, 21st, 10, 9:53, 10:01. Okay, cool. So by pausing, okay, just figured something out. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, cool. So the video is the article, sorry, has been created. So check this out. Outrank article. So could we also do, I'm curious, here's another article. Keep has a 38 content score. I think we should be able to outrank that. And let me see number three. Number three has a 61. Opt-in monster. Talking about conversions and stuff, alright? So let's see what keep four marketing hacks that actually convert. They're ranking number two, but the content is kind of skimpy. They're skimpy on the content. Interesting enough. Nah, fam. Keep, yeah, because of the backlinks, they have let's see what their ranking is. 25.6k. Um, no, we're not gonna go into that. Alright, cool. Alright, so basically this article dominated. Let's see. We basically rewrote that. Alright. Um, Mermaid AI. So yeah, let's see this. I'm gonna go to Markdown HTML, and then we're gonna just paste that. Don't know about those. Yeah, those the mermaid graphs. Might have to remove those. Let's see. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm just gonna put it in Neuron Writer. Where is Neuron? Content editor. I'm gonna paste this. Move the mermaid stuff. I'm just showing you guys I'm doing 15 for success. Alright, so we're gonna copy that, X this, title, okay, save and close. So this is, okay, digital marketing hacks to boost conversion, right? So I'm rewriting, I just rewrote the using AI to rewrite that article, and this is what I get, right? And it's a ranking of 25 out of 62, basically using the rewrite prompt, right? And the prompt is outrank article. It's not it cannot outrank the article. So now, based on that keyword, I'm gonna do a new chat prompt, and do the human fully SEO optimized article, use SEO. Let's rank on Google. We basically experimented with ChatGPT and Neuron to see which content kind of sticks. So I'm gonna use this keyword, digital marketing hacks, to boost conversions. Right? We're gonna try this based on the keyword. Alright, and which one we use? Write best article to rank on Google. Let's see how that comes out. And we're just gonna paste that in Neuron Writer to see what the score is like. And basically we just wanna just see which will rank for that keyword. Um, let's see, digital marketing. So I'm gonna copy this. It looks skimpy on the content, so I'm gonna copy this. Let's see, and we're gonna, if you want to, copy this, markdown HTML, delete this, paste that, and we're gonna leave the title the same. So let's see. All right, gonna copy this. We're gonna go here. Gonna hang this, delete this, paste this, cut this, X this, and put it. Change my title. Alright, save and close. So this one, look, check this out. This one ranks higher. That's just ChatGPT content. Okay, fair enough. Alright, so I have all these saved. Title 88 terms, 44 words, 727. Yeah, few words. The headings though. Now check this out. Content score checklist. Main title header. Digital marketing hacks too. So I basically need to put that as a H2. Let's see. Put this to H2, and that should boost the score. 49. Here we go. H1 heading. I do not have that as a. So it's like, wow. H1 and H2, but you need to put filler. Um, so I just have to find a way to put that, because to put both H2 and H1. So if I check this out, right? There, content score checklist. That's a checklist, right? And I have the ability to go in and outline AI writing, and remember that keyword I copied, right? So content. So I could basically create a paragraph, generate a paragraph based on that keyword, which is this. No, not. Oops. I think it was content marketing, right? So sorry about that, guys. So the video kind of stopped. Not sure why. I think this was maybe one of those hotkeys I put in. But yeah, I did a paragraph for content marketing, and I put I got it inserted in here. All right, and that's a full juicy paragraph. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna export this article, export copy editor, minimal HTML. HTML has been copied to clipboard, and then I'm gonna add it to the blog post, so the blog. So but check this out. Just using ChatGPT, rewriting an article, human article. Sorry, a the prompt was to write a 100%. Um, Wait, actually, it wasn't the 100% human optimized. It was write best article to rank on Google. So it used those key terms to rank on Google, and yeah, and I actually surpassed the score. So what I'm saying is, when I put this on the blog and I add some images and stuff based on that keyword, do some mid-journey prompts and everything, that should be a pretty juicy article that will rank, because it will definitely beat the competitors, the top 10. Alright, but I will keep you guys updated on a subsequent blog post. So check out the links in the description. Neuron Writer, I think, they still have a AppSumo special running. So you could check it out in the description. A lifetime license where you have up to 3 projects and you have your credits can be refreshed monthly, but you do have a limit. So check out the link below to get more details, and also if you're interested in those prompts and the ChatGPT prompts and the what's it called, the top AI tools, SEO included. Check out the links in the description. Alright, guys, bye for now. But yeah, I thumbs up on Neuron SEO. Big thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. I'm liking it. So far so good. Gets my articles ranking. So alright, guys, bye for now. Catch you next video.